Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. I hope you guys are doing good, you guys are safe at your homes. Today I'm here and I'm going to share what I got in my fab bag for the month of May 2021. So this is how this month's fab bag looks like. I think it's a very pretty bag. It's a beautiful white bag with a lot of green detailing. It's giving a complete tropical vibe, and this time the material is not the usual material. It feels like some kind of a synthetic clothing, a material which I really like the bag. And initially when I saw the bag on Instagram, I thought it's very small, but just look at it guys, it's super huge and it's amazing. I love the bag. It's very spacious. So we have a chain enclosure in the bag, and now let's dig into it. The first thing that came out are two cards. Now this is their usual information card wherein they have mentioned the name of the products along with pricing. The next is the usual in my fab bag contest card wherein you just need to read the rules and then you can participate on your social media and win prizes. So let's quickly jump into the star product of the bag. Now the star product in this particular bag is a matte lipstick from the brand Brick New York. Now I have received a lip liner from the same brand and the lip liner was really good. I have actually reviewed the lip liner in one of the videos and I'm going to tag it right here for you guys to see. So this time they have sent a matte liquid lipsticks. Now as you guys know, I'm a big fan of liquid lipsticks, and they have sent a beautiful liquid lipstick out here. And for this particular product, Fabbag did give me shade choices and I selected a brown shade and I'm currently wearing this shade. It's a very beautiful brown shade guys. I'm totally into brown these days and I absolutely love the shade. I'm also going to swatch it for you. So as you can see, the applicator is also really amazing. It's nice and comfortable. So just one swipe. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful brown shade guys. I love this shade. Also when I applied this lipstick, it dried like quickly, like within seconds it got dried off, and it's very light on the lips and it's completely liquidy, which I really like. So I love this product already. So the next top product is an eyeshadow. It is basically a single eyeshadow from the brand Teen. Now I have actually used a lipstick from this particular brand and I really like it. So I was very happy to use this eyeshadow as well, and I've literally applied the eyeshadow today. I've taken a little bit of product and I've very lightly applied the eyeshadow to create an everyday look, and I really like how the eyeshadow is. If you guys can see, the packaging of the product looks very amazing. So this is how the product looks from inside. It's kind of it's a combination of a powder and a cream eyeshadow, which I really like. There are absolutely no fallouts from this eyeshadow. I'm also going to swatch it for you. So this is how the shade looks like. Yeah, so as you guys can see, it's a very pretty color. Fabbag did give me shade options for this product as well, and I selected the shade which is Rusty Copper. It's a very pretty shade. I really like the shade and I really like the way it looks on my eyes. So very pretty shade. The next product in this month's fab bag is a face wash. It's basically their tea tree face wash from the brand Scent Divines. Now I have used a couple of products from this brand and it's quite decent. And this is a very nice travel friendly product which you can see, and we cannot get enough of face washes, so really happy with this product as well. I have used this face wash and the smell looks really very good. I'm going to show it to you how it looks like. Give me just 1 second. So this is how the face wash looks like. It has a hint of green color to it and it smells really good. It smells exactly like tea tree product. Next up is a body wash from the brand Kiva Naturals. Now I have never heard about this brand, nor I have ever used this brand. So it's basically their scuba dive body wash, and it's, if you can see, it's specially curated for fab bag. So this is how the body wash looks like. Frankly speaking, the body wash, the color of the body wash, it looks more like a sanitizer. So, and it's quite liquidy guys. Like if you guys can see, the body wash is very liquidy. Usually body washes are not that liquidy, but I actually tried smelling this product and it does not have any intense, or it has a very light kind of a smell. It's not at all intense, and it does not even smell very refreshing. So I have not used this product, but I really like body washes with a good fragrance, because that is what I like. But this literally has no smell at all, and yeah, so let's see. I might try this product, and maybe I could review it on my Instagram. So let's try this out. Last product in this month's fab bag is a sheet mask. Now this is not any ordinary sheet mask. Now this is a body firming sheet mask. If you guys can see, it's their coconut oil body firming sheet mask, and it's for toning your thighs, your hips and your upper arms. I'm very excited to try out this product, guys. I've never ever tried such type of body toning sheet mask, so I'm super excited to try out this product. I really like trying out new products, so I'm very excited. Now this has 2 sheet masks inside it, and the brand Palmer's is a very good brand, so definitely very excited to try this out. I might try this and I'm going to share a review on my Instagram, so do follow me on Instagram as well. So yeah, that's the sheet mask. So overall, I love this month's fab bag. I really like the liquid lipsticks, the eyeshadow, and I'm super excited to try the body firming sheet mask also, and the remaining products were also decent. So good job, fab bag. I love this month's fab bag, and please comment down below what was your favorite product from this month's fab bag, and I'm going to see you this Saturday, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, as always, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.